Okay, welcome back to another episode of Mark Bughaw Travels. Well, we are currently still in the Dayu house. It's a nice temple right there. Interesting. Anyways, guys, we have decided to go to Broken Beach, and the squad is already squared up right here. Let's see. Okay, my neighbor is still not here. The key is still on the door. So, hello. Hi.
How are you?
Good. How are you? Good. Good.
I don't clean your room because this morning I
No,
don't.
no need. It's okay.
You don't need.
Yeah, it's okay. Yeah, cause I have my.
I
I-
just clean outside.
Yeah. Thank you. No, it's okay. No worries. Thank you. Yeah, she can't go to my room because I'll show you guys the reason why she can't go into my room because of this one right here. There you go. That's how you travel, guys. You wash your own clothes. So the clothes you wear today, you wash it at night before you go to sleep, and then overnight it's gonna dry because the weather here is hot. And then the next day you have a fresh new set of clothes. Anyways, the squad's here. This is Mr. Jimko, as he is called in Bali. He's ready, he's already squared up. And here is the CEO and the laborer, as you can see. Yeah, he's just missing a number on his back, and the look is complete. Anyways, perfect, let's go. See, this is it, guys. They also wash their own clothes right here. Onwards to Broken Beach. I don't know why it's called, do you guys know why it's called Broken Beach? Is it because there's a lot of broken people there? Or someone fell down and then broke their back, and I don't know. Anyways, we're gonna go there, maybe fly some drone, enjoy the view, you know, eat at a local warung or whatever. Anyways, I'll see you there. Oh my god, guys, that was one crazy road getting here. Oh wow, my back and ass still hurts. It's all potholes basically getting here. So yeah, we were saying it's not the reason why it's called Broken Beach is because it's not the beach that's broken, it's the road that's broken. So we actually have to go there and then go back. We already passed by it, but the parking is right here.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Anyways, you guys want to start walking? No? Yeah.
Yes.
You're still savoring the
The bumpy ride.
But we're gonna rest for a bit, guys. Rest our ass because it felt like there's a huge vibrator that was placed on it. I don't know, I'm not used to it. I don't know, guys.
I don't know about you.
I don't know about you, but I didn't say no to that. Just kidding. It's a nice breeze here. I know it's hot, but like the breeze here is very nice. So, all right, forward onto dawn. Let's go. My quad still hurt, bruh. When is my quad gonna be fixed? Yeah, go ahead. You got a big road ahead of you, buddy. So that's 2 cars from the 20 cars we passed by going up. You notice there's like so many cars going back, but that's only 2 cars going in. That's good for us. I mean, it's less people. It's not a bad hike. I don't even think it's called a hike. Just walk. It's a path walk. It just sucks that you know, we already passed by it. Oh, very nice restaurant. Ah. See, I was pointing to those cabanas earlier because we passed by there.
Oh yeah, dyan. Oh,
Yeah, those are the cabanas. And then I was pointing on the area there. I said
may
that's
green?
the area. That's the green one. That's the Angel's Billabong. Oh wow! Interesting. Oh, it's right here. It is right here. I see it, guys. There's the path walk.
This is left.
Oh my god! No stairs. My
Wala
enemy.
ka bagong tulog.
My enemy. Ah.
Selfie.
5,000.
So skinless.
Later, maybe when we go back.
Later.
Later. Wow.
Oh, yes to.
Big banana.
Sana all big banana.
Sabi ni ate ah.
Wag siyang ganyan. Gustong-gusto ko 'yon. Babalikan ko 'yan.
Huwag siyang mag-vlog.
Oo, mag-aayos sa dyan. Anyways, this is a good spot right here. Very interesting. Scenic spot. You know, a lot of people go to the broken beach right away, but real G's come over here. Let's check it out. Goodness, that's so high. Wow. Look at the waves. It's like a natural washing machine. My goodness. Very high up. That was a great spot, guys. Alright, let's head over to Broken Beach. Find our squad mates. Alright.
Ano yan? Napakatipid naman ng selfie. Isa-isa ulit.
Okay. Sure.
Ready?
Okay, I'm good. Alright. See? Very nice place, natural beauty. Unfortunately, as you can see, cigarette butts, bottled water, 2 bottled waters.
Hindi kaya yung mga nakikita mo.
Right? Exactly. See? It's such a natural beauty. The place is such a natural beauty, but like
There's so many trash.
like people just they have bags, you know? They can just put in their bag, go back to their hotel. Every place we go to, even in the Diamond Beach at the very bottom, there's an area there where it's just full of trash. That's just how it is, I guess.
But it's so nice here.
Very nice. Look at that. There, area there. Looks nice. Anyways, let's go.
Tara.
You know where those people are? That's where the Broken Beach is.
And they can...
Actually, maybe even more over there. But that's the Angel's Billabong right there. You see the stairs on the right side? Yeah.
Oh, ganun. Nawala ng power.
Yeah. I still walk weird because, like I said, my quad still hurts from the Kalinking hike. Still did not heal.
Oh, just 2 days ago.
I know, exactly. I think I need like a week. It's a natural infinity pool. As you can see, it is. There's the stairs, and of course the trash water bottle, and of course all the way over there, right there. Natural infinity pool, guys. Cool. Yeah, that's nice.
Daming bad, sigarilyo.
Yeah, exactly. See? Even my squad mate noticed.
Oh, there's a rainbow.
Trash everywhere.
Everywhere.
Alright. Onwards unto dawn. Okay, I don't know how far Broken Beach is, but we saw Angel's Billabong. That's good enough. Now we're gonna keep walking towards the actual area that we're supposed to go to. Alrighty. Wow. As you can see, guys, behind me, the sun is just sweltering hot. I guess I can take a shortcut over here. Oh, yeah. Water. Whew. Stepping over corals, trying to get into my destination. Huh? Oh yeah. So that's thousands of years in the making. So you guys can see lines on the land, on the soil. That's hundreds and thousands of years. That's how they study what happened back then, if there's like a volcanic eruption. Wow. I'm not built for hiking, guys. I'm built for eating and sleeping. I think we're almost there. Yeah, I think it's just that one up there. Definitely should have worn better footwear than the slippers. Slippers is not cutting it, guys. Every time there's a sharp object, I can feel it. Maybe sandals would be good, like a hard sandals, not the soft one. Oh, coconut over there. See that? I want like a coconut right now. That's okay. Wait, am I going the right way?
No, it's right here.
Oh, okay. Right. Oh yeah, I see it. Ooh. So, another broken road right here. Almost went the wrong way. Hey. Oh, nice. We can drop by and grab a cold one later. I think we're halfway, or maybe almost there. I don't know. Whew. They're selling lots of coconuts in here. Let's see how much. Berapa? 20k.
At the bottom, it's burnt.
Why is it burnt? It's pretty cheap though.
Oh,
Banana
really?
juice for $1. Dragon juice for like $1.50. Damn. Very nice. Okay. We'll get some cold one when we go back. Is that it? Very interesting. Very interesting wingman I have around. Whew. Sudden high waves. Keep off rocks. Wow. So the waves actually can get up here? That's so high?
Yeah,
Bruh,
it's high tide.
look how high we are. And then the waves can get to here. Oh my goodness. Wow. Look at that. Wow.
So, pag nalaglag ka, magpapapick up ka na doon kayo.
Get alone, unang ulo. Filipinos will understand that. Wow. Okay. All right. Free Wi-Fi at Wayan Cafe. That sounds like a good deal. Kinda want the cold one later on. Let's see what we have here. Ah, finally. This is it. Wow. Need a little bit of shade, cool myself down. No, I actually have an umbrella on my bicycle, motorcycle. Just forgot to bring it. Definitely need to bring it next time. Alright, here we go. Here's shade. Let me cool down a little bit, guys. We'll continue the tour. Okay, guys.
We deleted everything.
I've rested well enough. My squad over here, they're also cooling down because they walked around, and now it's my turn to walk around. And the sunlight isn't as harsh as it was earlier. It's currently 4 p.m. 4 p.m. Okay. Anyways, oh, look at that. Whoa. Bro, look at the waves though. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Yeah, I feel like it's good to put something here, like a stairs over there from that side, and then it just follows the cliff. Kind of like what they did with the Diamond Beach, as you guys have seen in the video. They carved the stairs onto the cliff. So, all right, there's the squad right there, enjoying the shade of the trees. But the funny thing is, a lot of people come here, and then sure they look at the broken beach hole. I don't know, I think this whole thing is called broken beach, but I don't know what the exact term for the hole is. So they come in here, they look at the hole, they're like, oh, okay, and then they go here. This spot is way more interesting to them compared to the big hole. So let's see what the hype is all about. Let's see. Wow. Let's see. Whoa. Oh, slow down. Oh. Okay. All right. Oh, look at this place. Yeah. So it's a cliffside view of the ocean. There you go. Oh, and you can see the horizon over there. Very nice. Alright. Oh, they're flying a drone too. That looks like a mini DJI Mini 2. Okay. Yeah, I think we've seen enough. I think we're good. The drive here was crazy, so we're just gonna chill a little bit more, so we get our money's worth. A whole lima libu, so that's 5,000, which is 50 cents entrance, guys. And yeah, I think it's worth it. Just the part that's going down here, it's hard, crazy hard going down here. It's all potholes. They will enjoy it, I think.
I think too.
Yeah, you think too? Yeah, see? Exactly. We're just gonna chill here, enjoy the view. Oh, look at that. We actually passed by here earlier when we went to the private tour. But you guys probably seen that already, because I'm gonna upload that first. Lots of fish, lots of corals. That place was amazing. So what was it called again? Gamat Bay? Gamat? Whatever it's called, Gamat. I think it's called Gamat Bay. Anyways. So, ending the vlog here. See you all next time. Peace out.